In this WarriorPlus tutorial, I will show you how to choose the right offer to promote, how to promote it, and build your email list in the process. Let me show you how I find the best offers to promote. First thing you need to do, head to affiliates and then click on offers. You will see a lots of offers here, and you can sort them by pulse score, launch date, sales, how many sales, visitor value, average sale, conversion rate, and vendor. So they are already sorted by pulse score, and this is actually a good metric to sort with because it shows you if the product is really popular and people are buying it. So if you can see here, we have lots of sales. So the products here at the top are making lots of sales, and in the same time the refund rate is low. So these are good offers to promote. So what we want to see in the offer that we want to promote is a high conversion rate and a low refund rate. And like this, you already know that people are buying the product, they are liking the product because they are not asking for refunds. And you know that other affiliates just like yourself are selling this product, so why not you? You will be able to sell the product as well. Now you can see on this page that there are multiple offers where I am already approved to promote the offer. So where you see the green button here saying get link, that means that I am already approved for that product and I am already selling it. But these ones here with the blue buttons, I'm not approved yet, so I need to request the approval from the vendor of the product. So before requesting approval to promote an affiliate offer that I like, I always want to go and see the details about the offer. So I know who is the vendor. I can see the products that are in the funnel, and I can see the commissions as well. So we have a low price front end offer, $560, and you have 100% commission on the front end. And after that, there are other offers in the funnel like upgrades, and you have 50% on all the rest of the funnel. Another thing that you should look at is this one here. When you see this arrow here, that means that these are recurring commissions. So this is a yearly payment and this is a monthly payment. So if any customer takes one of these offers, the commission will come every month here or every year here. So that's a good strategy to make passive income. You do the work once and then the commissions will keep coming every month or every year. And you can see how the funnel looks like a graphical presentation of the funnel. Next thing, I go to the sales page by clicking here. I go to the sales page and see if I can write down some ideas and some information that I can gather from the sales page in order for me to create some content around this offer here. So the perfect thing to be done in this situation, if you really like the offer and you see potential for your business, is to purchase the offer itself, and then you will have more abilities and more understanding, and it will benefit your promotion efforts, of course, because you know exactly what you're talking about and what are the pros of this offer. Now, once you like the offer and you decide to promote it, you just go ahead, click here on request approval. And here you're going to talk to the vendor, to the owner of the product, and then you will ask him the permission or the approval to promote his offer. And here you need to give some key information like mention your name, mention the places where you're going to promote the offer, how you will be promoting the offer, if it's email, if it's banners, or it is on YouTube. So give the maximum of information here and then click on the button that says click request. Now when the vendor receives your request, it will see clearly that you are serious about this, you know what you're doing, and you want to work with him by promoting his offer, and he will approve you. Now once you have the approval of the vendor, you will see a green button here in front of the offer, and then if you click on the offer, you will see your affiliate link here in the green zone. And then what you can do, you can use this affiliate link, and you can use also a shortened link. You can use bit.ly or other free services to shorten your affiliate link. Now comes the promotion. We need to promote this product because we already approved, and there are lots of methods to promote affiliate offers, but I will talk only about my experience and how I do it personally. So what I do is, before I send the traffic to the affiliate link here, I send it actually to my mini funnel. I call it my mini funnel. Let me show you a few of them. So I made this mini funnel here that will allow me to promote an affiliate offer behind on the thank you page and on the download page. Here is another example. Here is another example. And here is another example, etc. So let me show you a picture here. So what you see here in yellow is the mini funnel that I make for a specific affiliate offer. So this is the offer I was approved to promote, and then all this is created by me. And I'm targeting two things here. The first thing is I am building my email list because I'm sending all the subscribers to my autoresponder. The second thing, I will be promoting this offer here on the thank you page or bridge page, and I will promote it also on the download page here, because on the squeeze page I will be giving away something or promising something to give away for free, and then if people take the offer, my free offer, they will get to the download page to get that promised free. Sometimes your prospects will buy directly from the thank you page as soon as they put the email address or click on the WarriorPlus free download button. They can purchase, or sometimes they go to their email address, confirm the address, and then get to the download page where they can see a message saying, for example, hey, you can check out this offer, it is related and it will give you lots of benefits. And then when they go to the offer and purchase, you will get a commission. So you can make commissions from the thank you page or the bridge page. You can make commissions from the download page, but there is a third place where you can make commissions with this offer, because in your autoresponder you have already set up follow-up emails that can provide value to the prospect, to your customers, and also they can recommend good offers. If you judge that they will help your prospects, you can recommend these offers here, or you can make commissions on the follow-up emails as well. Now you may ask me and say, how can I come up with everything that is mentioned here? I mean the mini funnels, and how can I set them up on WarriorPlus? Well, in this case, check the links in the description below, and I will give you some links to other videos where I explain exactly how to make the mini funnel and how to set up your autoresponder and set up your free offer on WarriorPlus as well. So now let me give you more information about the mini funnels that I use and how I set them up, and I give you also a case study. Now you can see that on these mini funnels there is a free download button for $0 from WarriorPlus. So I'm setting up these mini funnels on WarriorPlus. It's very easy to set up. You need 3 pages: the squeeze page, the bridge page, and the download page, and it's very easy to put put them together using just an HTML editor. Now, there is a video on the description below where I explain exactly what to do to make these. Now, the most important thing here is that if anyone clicks on this button here and then takes the free offer, his email address will be added automatically to your autoresponder. In my case, it's get response, but WarriorPlus buttons work with mostly all the well-known autoresponders on the market. Now let me show you a live example. Here is an affiliate offer where I am approved to promote. The sales page of this offer is this one here, and this is an offer about a software that helps you write blog posts very fast with original content. So it's very important for bloggers and those who use SEO to drive traffic to their websites. So this tool is very good actually. So what I did is I made this funnel here about blogging, where I offer a little small report of 17 hidden blog posts formulas. And right away on the squeeze page, I am talking about this. Discover software that writes blog posts for you in just 3 seconds flat. And so the customer already have an idea that there is something about this software here at the back end. Now this is a WarriorPlus button. If I click on it, it will take me to WarriorPlus in order to enter my name, my email address, and then take the offer. Now if someone takes the offer, his email address will be added to my autoresponder, and he will be taken to the thank you page where I'm in the download page where I'm saying, okay, download your report below, and here's the button where he downloads the report. And here is a link. Actually, this one here is a link that takes to the affiliate offer, to this one here. So let me just go ahead and click on it. So if I click on this link here, he will be brought to the sales page and he can do the purchase. Now, if the prospect does not purchase here on this page, there will be follow-up emails, to offer him or to recommend the software again and again. Now, this is just the thank you page or the download page where I give the freebie I promised on the squeeze page. I link to an affiliate offer, and also I can link to other bonuses and take the customers to other places where they might be interested in what I am offering. And the last thing is once you have the mini funnel up and running, you have to send targeted traffic to your mini funnel in order to build your email list and promote the affiliate offers at the back end. So this was it, guys, about this small tutorial. Thank you very much for making it so far. Please support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment. It will be a very great support. Thank you very much and have a good day.